So in the programs, you'll see that your rest is written as rolling rest. And rolling rest simply means that we can control the amount of time that you're training more precisely. The typical way of resting between exercises is to put the weight down, start a stopwatch or a countdown timer for whatever is prescribed, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And then when it beeps, turn back, pick the weight up and carry on. The problem with that is, as people get tired, as people want to lift more weight, that rest actually ends up getting extended. People's workouts get longer and longer and longer. And even though it might say 3 minutes between sets, the reality is, with the way people's brains work, they just push it as far as possible. So with rolling rest, you can't do that. It's predefined. If you have a rolling rest timer on your watch or your phone, it will literally go through to the time period set. So let's say 60 seconds, and every 60 seconds it'll beep and you will go on each beep. If it's a bigger muscle group or exercise like squat, it might be 5 minutes. So you might have a 5-minute rolling rest on your squats, and every 5 minutes you have to start a set of squats. It'll take a bit of time to work out how long it takes you to get under the bar and get set up. Typically it's around 30 seconds. So you know, as you look at that thing counting down, once it hits about 30 seconds, you've got to start getting ready. And as you unrack the bar, the buzzer should be going. You do your set, you rack it back in, but this whole time it's already counting down that 5 minutes. It means that you are going to do those 5, 6, 7, whatever sets, exactly the same amount of time every week. So if you're doing more reps or lifting more weights, we know you're improving because the time is staying the same. Too often people's time periods get elongated. Rolling rest is also used in supersets. So often in your program, you'll see 2 exercises back to back. And in that case, the rolling rest is between the exercises. So if you were doing bench press and chin-ups, and it says 60 seconds rolling rest, every 60 seconds you will get onto first bench press, 60 seconds later chin-ups, 60 seconds later bench press. So it works like that. So it's between. So it's not 60 seconds till you've got to get back to the bench. It's till you start the other exercise, the supersetted exercise. And that's how we use rolling rest. And all the programs will have that in. The only times which it won't be in might be for some core exercises, which I deliberately want you to take as long over as possible and do slowly. Then we lose the benefit of keeping that time period short because we're deliberately trying to elongate the contractions. But for 90 to 95% of your programs, it's going to be rolling rest.